Louisa County could be viewed as a rural oasis in the center of a triangle formed by the cities of Charlottesville, Fredericksburg, and Richmond. Long-term residents say that can be an advantage for many Louisa County farmers.
It brings the consumer close to you. It brings the folks that are going to buy the produce, the vegetables and fruit, the other types of ag products.
Rydell and other farmers are aware that growth seen in recent years has also created pressure to convert open lands for other uses. Residential development, particularly near Lake Anna in the northern half of the county, has led to more traffic on small two-lane roads.
The people that come in a lot of times have less tolerance for farmers. People are in a hurry to go everywhere, it seems, these days, and that makes it tough in moving large equipment around.
Richard Lloyd has farmed in Louisa County all his life. He's had some close calls, like last spring when a motorist was following him and his son while they were moving farm equipment on the road.
The person came around him and then came around and literally cut me off because they were upset that they had to follow for about a mile.
But Lloyd and his son are finding ways to make farm life work alongside the population growth in the county. Carlton Lloyd is the fourth generation to farm his property and sees the value of all the hard work.
It gets to be a growing passion of yours, and you're ingrained in it, and you want to continue on with not only the family tradition but a lost art, something that's important that everybody in this world needs, and that's a sustainable way, to eat.
Here in Louisa, it's extremely diverse. We have everything from row crops to livestock to the equine sector, as well as some new greenhouse operations and poultry farms as well.
Louisa County has 431 farms spread out over 68,499 acres. The average farm size is 159 acres. The market value of all agricultural products raised here totals $14,971,000. Louisa County's farm income is roughly split between crops and livestock. Cattle and calves account for $4,130,000. Poultry, horses, hogs, goats, and sheep bring the total income from livestock to $7,681,000. Corn and soybeans are the top money makers in the crop sector, accounting for $3,161,000 in farm income each year. Nursery and greenhouse operations, hay, and other crops make up the balance of the total of $7,290,000 earned by crop producers. Chris Gibson and his wife raise chickens for Tyson Foods on his property in the southern end of the county. In a normal year, he and his family produce 4 or 5 flocks a year under contract.
I love, seeing the whole process of birth to, the thought of feeding America. I really am passionate about the opportunity, or the fact that, there is a growing number of people in America and the world, and I'm a part of feeding them, and then the ability to take something like this and to share it with the younger generation, the next generation, the 4-H kids, the FFA kids. I think that's what kind of drives me.
That sentiment is echoed by others in Louisa County's farm community.
Nothing pleases me anymore than to plant a crop in the spring and see it mature and see a baby calf being born and see he or she grow out.
Nothing excites me more than trying to educate somebody and really explain to them where their food does come from and how we do what we do.
It gets me away from the hustle and bustle of the everyday life. It gives me time to think, and it gives me the opportunity to come up with new plans and new ideas, because 12, 13, 14 hours in a tractor daily, you have a lot of time to think. And I like providing for other people in the population, not only locally, but across the state and nationally as well.
The people of Louisa County are determined to preserve agriculture as a critical part of their culture and economic life. They know they have to balance the demands of ever-encroaching growth from nearby cities, and they're determined to find a way for everyone to prosper in the future. In Louisa County, Virginia, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.